How to find and install applications in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to find and install third-party applications. Click the Applications tab. You can use third-party applications to add features to your website, such as blog, online store, photo gallery, or you can base your site entirely on a single application, such as Joomla or WordPress. Featured Applications shows the most recommended and popular apps available for your website. To learn more about an app, simply click its name. You can learn more about the application, and if you want to use it, you can install it from here. Now click All Available Applications. This section shows all the applications, both free and commercial, that are available to be installed. Selecting a category will narrow your search, and you can also choose a subcategory. We can now view all the applications related to content management on the web. Let's go through an example of installing an app. That's it. The application was installed, and you can see the application settings on this page. Now go to Manage My Applications section. We can see here which applications we've installed, and it's from here that we can go to manage our installed applications. From here you can change any of your application settings or remove the application from your account. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to find and install third-party applications in Plesk.